Welcome to today's video. If you're looking for small changes that can make a big impact on your health and happiness, this is the video for you. These 5 simple daily habits are easy to incorporate into your routine and can help you feel better inside and out. Let's get started. Imagine waking up each morning not to the jarring sound of an alarm, but to a quiet house bathed in the soft light of dawn. This is the gift you give yourself when you wake just 30 minutes earlier. Picture enjoying a peaceful breakfast or simply closing your eyes as you take a deep, calming breath. These precious minutes set the tone for your entire day. Remember, a calm and joyful heart starts with a calm and joyful morning. Our bodies are meant to move. When we move, we honor the incredible vessel that carries us through life. But exercise doesn't have to be a chore. Take the stairs instead of the elevator and feel your heart beat a little faster. Stand up and stretch during breaks at work, feeling the tension melt away from your shoulders. Put on some music and dance while you cook dinner. These small bursts of movement infuse your day with energy and vitality, leaving you feeling refreshed and invigorated. Chapter 3. Nourishing your body with nature's bounty. Just as we carefully choose which belongings to keep in our homes, we should choose foods that nourish our bodies and bring us joy. Fruits and vegetables are like gifts from the earth, bursting with vibrant colors and life-giving nutrients. Adding just one more serving of these natural treasures to your day can make a world of difference. When we nourish our bodies with healthy foods, we are showing ourselves love and respect, and that is a beautiful thing. Chapter 4. The power of pause, finding stillness in a busy world. In our fast-paced world, it's easy to get swept away by the constant stream of information and demands on our time. But just like we create a designated space for each item in our home, we must also create space for stillness in our minds. Taking just 5 minutes each day to focus on your breath can be transformative. Find a quiet corner, close your eyes, and simply breathe. These moments of pause are like hitting the reset button on your mind. When you emerge from this stillness, you'll find yourself feeling more centered, focused, and at peace. Chapter 5. Kindness, the gift that keeps on giving. When we tidy our homes, we often find items that no longer spark joy but can bring joy to others when we donate them. Small acts of kindness offered freely have the power to brighten someone's day, including our own. Imagine the ripple effect of a simple smile offered to a stranger, a heartfelt compliment given to a friend, or a helping hand extended to a colleague in need. When we cultivate kindness in our hearts, it radiates outwards, touching the lives of those around us, and in turn we discover that the joy we bring to others finds its way back to us, filling our own hearts with warmth and gratitude. Outro. Embrace joy, one habit at a time. These 5 habits are easy to adopt and can lead to a healthier, happier lifestyle. The key is to start small and stay consistent. Which habit are you excited to try first? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more life tips. See you in the next one.